Dai, grabando.
Okay, so we're going to be replacing a broken laptop screen from a Lenovo G510. I think this is also applicable to other G500 series. So as you can see, my screen is clearly broken here. And when you've got a broken screen, you might as well check to see if there's any other damaged area. Sorry about that. I was opening it up. See if there's any other damaged areas. For example, I've got a hit here, but it's still working fine. So I'm just going to replace the screen. So let's turn this off. And while it's shutting down, I'm going to do the unboxing. So I've got this box that's arrived from laptopscreens.com. And inside, well, we can find some very frustrating bubbly paper because you can't pop it, and an envelope with a screen. Which is this screen. So we're going to be replacing a glossy screen, a matte screen for a glossy screen, so this won't have any shine on it. And let's get to it. Okay, so most laptops have a series of screws over here which you have to take off, but this model directly just uses some plastic clips. So if you squeeze in here, you can start getting it out. You can get it out all the way. Sometimes you have to apply a bit of pressure, but that's fine, it's not going to break down. All the way past the camera, and here it's coming down completely. Okay, so we're almost there. Okay, there we go. As you see, the piece comes off entirely, completely. So now we are going to have to remove some screws, mainly here, 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 here. There's 4 on the bottom, 2 on each side, and 2 on the top, 1 on each side. So let's get to it. Whoops. There we go. So the back comes off. Now we've got the screen mounted here. Now, we're also going to have to take off these side screws over here. There's a total of 6 of them, 3 on each side. Now it's about to come off, so you're going to want to hold on to the screen before it just falls off the metal fixings it has here. Okay, there we go. Now here comes the important part. Here in the back of the screen, we can see how this wire brings the connector. Pablo, could you zoom in here a moment? We can see how we've got this wire here with the connector, and we're going to want to take that off. How? You've got a little sticker. You're not supposed to take off the whole piece, just this little sticker. We're going to take it down, pull it off. We're almost there. And uncover and release the connector here. Now we do that completely, and as you can see, it all comes off. Once we're at this point, the screen is completely detached. So to put on the screen back, we're just going to do the same process once again. We've got a screen plastic protection here, which we're not going to take off yet. And we're going to put on back the screws. But first we're going to have one connected, of course. So here we go. It says here, caution, locking connector. Okay. So you want to put in the connector like this, so it comes in under the screen. Which is a bit difficult because it sticks everywhere. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, the connector is in place. We're putting on the sticker back on. There we go. There we go. Alright. So it's possible that you didn't really expect that the connector is using a piece of plastic sticker to keep in place what it is. And now we're just going to put on back the screws and see how it works, if it works. Okay, done. Blue light. Now let's just put the cover back on. Careful to put the wires back in because they tend to stick out a bit. Oh, this beautiful moment of taking off the plastic screen. Don't you just love that? As you can see, it's matted now, there's no reflection. I can't see myself anymore, which is a pity. And start clicking those in. Okay, there it is. Aha. Now let's see how that goes. Bam. Just wait for it to start. Let's see if we've got the full colour there, just in case you don't believe me. But I'm pretty sure we've done a good job. You can see the light in the back. It takes a bit to turn on. It's now a computer now. Loading. There we go. So thank you very much for joining us today on this video, and if I ever have to replace a laptop screen again, see you on the next one. Goodbye.